Hello dear all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about how to describe daily routine, weekly routine, what are the most important and essential points to know how to describe routine activities. इस वीडियो में सबसे important चीज़ क्या है? First, know about adverb of frequency. Then know about sequence adverb because इन दोनों के अलावा daily routine आप properly describe नहीं कर सकते. So what is adverb of frequency? Very simple. Adverb of frequency, they are the words which are describing the repetition of an action. For example, I usually wake up early in the morning. I sometimes take breakfast at home. I always take shower in the morning. ये देखो always, usually, sometimes, hardly, ever, never, they are called adverb of frequency. The next one is known or every day, twice a week, 3 times a month, twice a month, 3 times a year, etc. ये सब adverb of frequency में आते हैं. The next one is known as sequence adverb, जो कि बहुत important है. Majority students, when they are describing daily routine, they are saying then. It's one adverb of sequence. Instead of then, you can say first, next, then, after that, then, after that, next. Besides that, in the end, आपने आखिर में फिर बताना है finally I go to sleep or finally I go to bed. Now, how to describe your daily routine? First and foremost important thing is make a list of your activities. That what you do from the morning till afternoon, from afternoon till evening, from evening till night. This is important. Like I wake up early in the morning. I usually get up. For example, I wake up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. I usually get up at 6:30. आप जब नींद से उठते हैं उसको wake up कहा जाता है. जब बेड को लीव करते हैं then get up. That's how you are describing. I get up, I take shower, or I fresh myself, or I brush my teeth, I change my clothes, or you can say I get dressed. They all are the activities that we are describing in the morning routine. And in the afternoon routine, if you are working in the office, you will describe your office routine. From morning and afternoon till evening, we are working in the office, so we will have one routine then. But when you are school, college, university student, then your routine is going to differ. That is going to be different. How morning routine in school is, we are going to school, we take classes, we take break, we are making, things there, we are doing some activities in the school. That is different. For example, I wake up early in the morning. I get up at 6:30. I take shower, I fresh myself, I get dressed. Or I wear uniform, I prepare my bag, I take the breakfast, I go to the bus stop, I sit in the bus, and I go to school. After that, I take classes in the school. After taking classes in the school, I take break at 11 o'clock or 11:30. Usually we have our breakfast there, or usually we take brunch in that time in the break. Then we have 2 classes. I take 2 classes after that. Then the school get off. After that, I come home. When I come home, I perform prayer. I do XYZ. Per afternoon activities शुरू होते हैं. उसमें people can go for playing games. People can go for playing cricket or tuition centers or English language or madrasa, any other activity. Evening, what are the activities in the evening? You have to describe them that. Besides that, at night, what do you do? Especially students, they go for self-study. Sometimes they are going to go for some outing. But when people are going to the offices, their night activity is different. For example, they take their kids for outing. Sometimes they are going to go for self-reading or studying books, or they give time to their home library. They sit in the home library, they are gathering their kids and they are communicating and discussing things. Depend करता है कौन सी activities हैं. So you need to know how to describe them all. Besides that, you need to know your weekdays and weekend activity. What do you do on the holidays when the days are off? Sometimes, people are having Saturday and Sunday off, and sometimes people have only Sunday off. What is the weekend activity? Per weekend में daily routine या daily activity उसका change हो जाता है. Now, if someone tell you describe your daily routine, it means you have to describe your routine that you are having commonly. But if someone asks you, what did you do yesterday? What did you do before yesterday? Describe your weekend activity. What did you do on your last week? तो फिर आपने past tense में इन सब को describe करना है, because they are asking you about the past. And if someone is telling you what are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do on coming weekend? You need to describe your coming weekend activity in that time. Don't forget that you must not commit mistake in describing your daily routine on common basis, for the future how to describe it, and in the past how to describe it. It was all for today. If there is any query in this tutorial, you have any question or confusion, you're most welcome to ask question.